girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing all the art snacks on all one video. So I have here from I think it's from March all the way until September. Yes, I missed so many art snacks and I am sorry, but I've been busy, especially throughout COVID, and yeah. So if you guys don't know what snark-ass Artsnack is, it's basically a subscription that you pay yearly, or you can do a monthly subscription where they send you 5 pieces of art materials and then you test them out. If you like them, you know what you like. If not, you could just not use them anymore, I guess. What I usually do is, if I don't use it or I have the item already, I actually put it in a box where I do a end of the year giveaway that I've been doing since the beginning of the year. So let's get to it. So this time I think we're doing March. We're doing March here. All right, so we are doing March. Usually comes out wrapped up like this, and it usually comes with a little candy with a sticker. I don't know where the sticker is, but yes. And this one, oh, here's the sticker. Here's the sticker. And unfortunately, it does come with a price card where it has all the items listed for you, tells you where it's from, and it actually has the price on the bottom. But I actually lost it, so I'm so sorry. So we're gonna go in blind with March art snacks. So the first thing we're gonna be looking at is a graphite brush liner. I have a ton of these, but I love the brush tip. Anything that has to do with brush tip is one of the ones that I like, especially during the marker, because I feel like you can have such a light stroke to it, also get a fine line to a really thick line, and that's why I like this a lot. Let's see, unfortunately I don't have the card that tells me all about the history of the pen, but I do. If you guys want to see, I'm going to do a swatch. With the mess that I have here, I could not find my sketchbook, but I did find my little paper here. It says Zuki. My name is, so let's show you what I'm going to just do it right here. It's like a calligraphy pen, kind of like that. So this is the swatch. So you see you have that thin. You can go to thick to thin. That's how you can do calligraphy. The thin and then the thick side over here where you use the side of the brush. The next thing that they give me here, you know what? This is one of my favorite brushes that I make my own. I buy brushes, like stipple brushes, and then I cut the tip so it's not sharp, but it's just like a blending brush. Let me take the tag off of this thing. But anyway, it's like this. A lot of people don't really use this. It's like, it's really hard, but it's good for dry blending. I personally like it. So this is called a Menta, R-A-A-S-C, Royal and Langnickel. So it's Royal and Langnickel. Took the paper off of it, but yeah, it's something like this. I love the color of the handle here and the brush tip. So this is what I use for mostly dry blending. I don't know if anybody knows about that. Let me know if you want to do a dry blending tutorial. I would love to show you guys how to dry blend. The next thing is Rembrandt. This is in the color purple, and they've been on since 1899. It's a watercolor. It's in purple. I'm not going to show you this swatch, but I really don't use a lot of. I do have watercolors. I do have them in a small palette, little squares. I never use tubes because I feel like they take so much room. Instead, I have like a case, which I'll just like little squares of all the colors, and I'll just bring that along with me. And then the last thing is the it's a color pencils. These are 4 color pencils. They're by this brand. There you go. And yeah, so this is like all like indigo colors, purple colors. Isn't that crazy? I have purple hair and I'm doing the purple color pencils. That's pretty cool. So this was meant to be. So I have all these colors. I have like a dark purple, like an indigo color mixed with blue, and then a purple. It says this provides the perfect foundation for everyone who wishes to be creative. So these are the 4 colors that it comes with. Really nice variety of colors here. You have your pink, your purple, your dark blue, and then your regular light blue here. And I just wanted to show you guys it is watercolor, so you can actually blend it in with the rest of your stuff when you're working, which is really cool. So that's it for the box of March. So these are the 4 items here. I thought it was 5. Maybe like an extra bonus one is 5. But 4 little items for the month of March. So let's go on to April. So this is the month of April. I'm going to open it. Everything, I have not opened any of these boxes at all. So disappointed about that. But yes, so let's continue. Let me put the stuff in here. So this one does have the price and information little bookmark here with all the information. So I'll be reading off of this. And let's continue. So this box has a lot actually. So we're going to go with the Tombow water brush flat tip. So it's this right here. And yeah, I have so many of these, but I'm not gonna give this one away because I go through these like water. I love these brushes because I'm able to take them and they actually have the water inside them, so I don't have to bring like a cup of water or anything with me when I want to draw. So yeah, so this is it right here. So if you guys don't know about this, you're able to unscrew it, you're able to put water in it and then seal it up. And what happens is you use your medium, right, and then you push down here and the water will flow to the bristles, and then you'll have like consisting water going down to the brush and into your paper, and then you're able to work on your projects. So this piece retails for $6.99. This is a new product for Tombow watercolor brush, and it's a flat tip. It says create beautiful washes of color with the Tombow water brush. It is flexible, it flattens tip, delivers broad coverage, and will easily blend your new watercolor pencil. Simply fill the barrel with water and give a little squeeze like I showed you guys earlier. So this is a good piece, definitely if you're into watercolor or acrylic, light acrylic, like a gouache. So the next thing is Faber-Castell PITT Big Brush Artist Pen. So I'm guessing it's this one right here. It's freaking huge. It comes in the blue. It is in a brush tip. So let's read about this one. So this one retails for $6. It says think big and draw even bigger. Castell Artist Pen combined a modern brush nib with a traditional Indian ink. So this is Indian ink inside. It says Indian ink is pigmented, very light fast. It can last over 25 years. And waterproof, makes it popular choice among artists everywhere. Lay down full coverage or narrow detail strokes with these versatile pens. So that's pretty cool. I do not have something like this, but I am not interested in using this, but I'm gonna give it a swatch and maybe I can tell you if I like it or not. Alright, so I have this. I'm gonna work on the back of this. So by the way it feels, it does feel nice. Yeah, again, I'm not into these type of markers, so I'm probably going to put it into the giveaway box. But it is good. So that one's going to be added into my pile of, I don't want to do it. Oh yeah, I completely forgot. Look, I got another sticker. I have like a collection of all different stickers from Artsnack, so I can't wait to like fill up my book with all these stickers. Let's see. So the next thing is another Castell Gold Faber Aqua watercolor pencil. So I think it's this one. Yes, it is. So they came. This one came with 2 of them, an orange and a red. Look at this. I actually don't have anything like this. Usually the covering, it's a different color. It's blue, but this one's a silver, not a silver, a grayish tone. It looks like it's plastic. And so let's read about it. So these retail for $1.25 each. It says transform your drawings into watercolor paintings with Faber-Castell Gold Faber Aqua watercolor pencils. These water soluble colored pencils easily meet the needs of any artist. Freaking camera overheated. I truly apologize from that. So it says it's a brilliant color, remains intense, wet or dry, result in unlimited options of blending techniques. So that's pretty cool. So this is all watercolor pencils. So I'm definitely keeping these because I like these. And I completely forgot that the other one, the PITT Artist Pen Brush, came with 2 of them. I only saw 1, and the yellow as well. I'm both giving them to you guys for the giveaway. It's like a mustard yellow. Really nice. Let's see the blending with these. And then the other one, the other color makes a nice color actually. So that's the blue, the yellow, and then like in between is that green color. So the next one and the last is the Sakura Pigma Micron PN. This one retails for $2.89. This is the staff's favorite, so let's take a look. I was never a fan of Micron pens for some reason, because the way they are. I feel like they bleed a lot. And yeah, so this is actually really nice. Look at the tip on this one. So you see how it is? It's like all translucent at the beginning, and then on the tip it gives you that color. This one I might like. So it gives you like that thin line. And is it black? It looks blue. It's supposed to be blue because you see it shows you like the ink color right here, but it actually is black. I might keep this one. Check it out for a bit. So let me talk about this piece here. It says perfect for everyday writing and sketching. The Sakura features a durable plastic nib PN that produces consistent fine or medium lines. Ink is quickly drying and waterproof, so that's a good thing. It says it makes the pen perfect companion to your new watercolor pencils. Alright, so basically it's like if you're using watercolor or anything with like water, you're able to use this one and it would not smudge when you use the watercolor. It instantly dries. So I'm actually excited to try this out because I do like to use watercolor a lot, and I like to use watercolor pencils. So if it doesn't smudge, that's a win-win. So the box for April came out with the win-win. A whole bunch of stuff, really. Color pencils, the brush markers, the fine marker, and then the brush tube to add water in there. So that's actually really good. So let's go on to the next one, which is Box May.